Hi guys, welcome back to my channel for a quick snack run I did at CVS today. Thanks for joining me once again. Two of the items I picked up, the sale price will last till next week Saturday. If you plan to do it next week, just make sure that the rebate is still on. That way you can get it cheaper. First item I'll pick up will be the Royal Dance Cookie, priced at $7.99, and it's not giving back any extra care box. I will pay $7.99, then I'll submit my receipt to Shopkick for 1,500 cakes for buying this, and it's a limit of 2, but my store only have 1. And that 1,500 cakes is equal to $6, which will end up making this $1.99. And if you're doing this deal and you have the percentage of CRT, you can use it and this will be cheaper. But if you're paying with extra care box, just a reminder, the percentage of CRT will come off after your extra care box. So it would be better if you pay with cash. The next one I have is Chillos. They're on sale for 2 for $7, no extra care box back. I'm going to pick up 2, pay $7, then I'll submit my receipt to Ibotta for $1 back on each. That means I'll get back $2 from Ibotta, making them just $5 or $2.50 each. Let's go over my receipt. I picked up 3 items and I used the 4 of 10 purchase CRT, paid just $10.99 out of pocket, and I submitted my receipt to Shopkick and I got back 1,500 cakes, and to Ibotta for $2 back, that's $1 back on each Cheetos. After the Ibotta rebate and the Shopkick, these two ended up costing me just $2.99 or $1 each. And this concludes this short video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for all your support, and I'll talk to you all next time. Bye.